Ever wonder why garage doors, when they are installed on the side of your metal building, cost more? Well, it's all about headers. In this video, we're going to talk more in detail regarding headers. So stick around. Not sure if you guys caught all that from the final tour. Hey Pack, it's Eric from WolfSteel Buildings. And right behind me, we do have a 40 by 80 wide span tubular structure. We just concluded out there in Weatherford, Texas on those 10 by 10 overhead doors, which in total were 4 of them, right? But 3 of them were on the right-hand side of that building, and 60 feet of that 80-foot long building was nothing but headers. So if you are already subscribed to the channel, you probably noticed it, but if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like and share notification button as well to stay updated with all valuable information regarding metal buildings out here in the state of Texas. Now, in today's video, we're gonna dive into headers, why they are important, sizing, and of course, the price. So stick around for this amazing video regarding headers. First off, what is a header? A header simply supports the weight above an opening like doors and windows. Now, if you're adding a door or window, you're just adjusting that framing that was moved or that's being removed and adding framing members to adjust to the weight of that accessory.
So we do add a header. It's known as a header. So for example, there's a big difference between putting a door on an end wall versus a side wall, right?
Yeah.
Because typically all these structures, the strength is built on the sides. So the moment that you cut into legs, you have to reinforce that strength. That's what's known as the header. So what you'll see, especially considering we cut 3 10-foot sections out of this building, we definitely put a solid reinforcement across those doors.
Yeah, in this case, we are showing those 10 by 10 open frame outs for those overhead doors out here in this project that we just concluded in Weatherford, Texas. The weight of the building is distributed all throughout these trussings. Zooming in into the header, you can actually see the truss where it can't land because we just eliminated that upright. Hopefully on screen, you're watching that perfect shot where I'm looking straight at that 10 by 10 opening and you can clearly see where we eliminated that upright. Now, we do offer different type of accessories. We do have our roll-up doors, our overhead doors, and windows. We do have the no grid option. We do have the options with grid, and on the overhead doors, we do have short panels, long panels, cascade windows, many cool designs, and of course, we do have our roll-up doors. Now, if you're wanting to get something other than what we offer, you are more than welcome to do so, but we do have certain sets of rules. That type of accessory, must be present at the site the day, or I highly suggested the day before erection. If not, additional fees will be applied to your invoice. Now, let's talk about size. And I heard size does matter. So the size of your header can depend on several factors, right? Including size and weight. Now, on screen, I'll be showing all the kinds of different size of headers. For instance, a wider or taller door might be needed when you have a wider header, right? The building weight also affects the size of the header. Getting this right is as important as finding the perfect barbecue joint. Why are garage doors more expensive when they go on your sidewalls? Well, as a client, price is the thing that affects you the most, right? A larger header is more expensive than a smaller one. Bigger building, bigger door, bigger the price, right? It all boils down to headers. When doors are placed on the sides, the building does need additional structural support to accommodate the weight and maintain stability. Headers, which are beams placed above the doors, do provide that essential reinforcement. Their installation does increase the overall cost due to the extra materials and labor involved. Hey Pack, I hope you found this video helpful regarding headers. Why is it an additional cost when they go on your sides? hopefully this is a perfect example. It is a 40 by 80. It is a wide span. You can clearly see that 60 feet of that 80 foot span that in length, that we do have 60 feet of headers, right? If you're in that sales process and you're a little bit confused regarding headers and the additional pricing, it's simply this, you know, it is additional materials, additional labor, extra welding at the fabrication shop, you know? So I really hope that you found this video very helpful. Now, if you're looking at that door at your local hardware store and it is more on the cost-effective side, please remember that here at WolfSteel Buildings, we're not just providing the door, right? We're providing the service, which includes the door, the header, the delivery, the installation, the labor, and the most important thing of all, we do offer warranties on our accessories, right? Now, before we move along, orientation of your building and where you want your doors also do affect the headers, right? I go over this on our recent tour on that 40 by 80, again, out there in Weatherford, Texas. Please make sure to check out that tour. Also, don't forget to check out our recent video Ana de la made regarding 3D building designer on how to design your own building. Now, if you found this video useful, give it a good old thumbs up and like, share, subscribe for all of our new viewers. I hope this video brought you guys lots of valuable information regarding headers on your sidewalls. Until next time, Pack. See you guys on the next one. And right behind me, we have another amazing project out here in Hill Country. And yes, this was sold by Argenis and the Alpha Wolf sales team. The point of this video, we're doing a little quick sneak peek of what's coming ahead for the weeks to come. We're gonna do a final tour on this 30 by 50. We have ash gray on the walls. We have burnished slate on the trim, on the wainscot, on the gutters and downspouts, and the roof as well. So stay tuned for that video. It will be Abdul and I doing a final tour on this 30 by 50 red iron structure.